Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a PDF using gallery photos. First, open your phone's gallery application and carefully select all the photos you wish to include in your PDF document. Once selected, look for a Share or Export option, usually represented by an icon with 3 dots or an arrow. From the Sharing menu, choose the Print or Save as PDF function to begin the conversion process. This initial step is crucial for gathering your visual content. After initiating the PDF creation, you'll often find options to arrange your images. You can reorder the selected pictures to your preferred sequence, ensuring the narrative flows correctly. Many tools also allow you to adjust the page layout, choosing between portrait or landscape orientation, and even setting custom margins. Some advanced features might let you add a title or header, giving your PDF a more polished and professional appearance before finalization. Once your photos are perfectly arranged and customized, it's time to save your new PDF. You'll be prompted to select a destination folder on your device, so choose a location that is easy to remember. Make sure to give your PDF document a clear and descriptive name for easy identification later. After saving, you can effortlessly share your PDF via email, various messaging applications, or upload it directly to your preferred cloud storage services for convenient access. If your device's built-in features are limited, consider exploring third-party PDF converter applications available in app stores. These often offer more advanced features like compression or security options. Alternatively, numerous online PDF tools provide quick conversions without requiring any app installations. Always ensure your original image quality is high. This is vital for producing a professional-looking PDF document that maintains clarity and detail throughout all its pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.